Welcome to all. This video is about the statistical analysis and visualization in R. So we are going to practice how to do the statistical analysis in R programming language and visualization in this R programming language. And here in this video we are going to mostly focus on visualization. I will give you one example for this video. Okay, and visualization, we focus on data visualization using R. Okay, so first we are going to do this thing. We need to check whether we have this library in our R programming languages or not. Okay, first library ggplot. Okay, first one, yeah, it's available, and library dplyr, right? And the next one, library reader, right? Right now you can see that, so those three libraries are installed perfectly. So already it's installed. Here it works perfectly. So right now we are going to load the dataset. To load the dataset, so the dataset supermarket sales.csv file in your document section. So this is a file, okay, right? So before to do the analysis, you have to know, you have to understand the data set. That's very important fact. Okay, so here you see that this is a data set. As a data analyst must need to know about your data set, all of the attributes one by one. So this is a invoice ID, branch, city, customer type, gender, product line, and unit price, quantity, tax 5%, total, date, time, payment, COGS, gross margin, gross income, and finally rating. So you already this data set don't have any kind of error and duplicate, so we can directly go with the data analysis. There is no problem with this. Okay, so you have to load this data set into your R. Okay, you see that, so it's loaded, so there is no error here. So there are 1000 rows in this data set. There are 17 columns available in this data set. So what are the columns? Just now we just now read it, so that is here. So the column with the characters, and here time 1, okay, dbl character time here. And now we need to check whether if it is perfectly loaded or not. Go to check. Right, so everything is perfect, so the data was loaded perfectly. So right now we go with the data exploration. So we need to explore the data here. Okay, first explore strings in our data set. Okay, you can see these are all the exploring the string in our data set. You see that invoice ID, which contain the character, branch, city, customer type, gender, product line. So these are all the strings and characters. Okay, you have to know, you have to understand what are the strings in our data set. Right now go to the summary. This is actually helps to view the summary of your data set. What is a summary? It's a general of keywords. For example, in every single column, for example, you can see here in a unit price. In a unit price, what is a minimum unit price, what is the first one, median, mean, third, quotient, and the maximum unit price. And the quantity, what is the minimum quantity, what is the maximum quantity, just like that. You can see the summary of all of your entire data set. That is a summary. So right now we go with the descriptive statistics. So in this case, right now go to find out the mean data. Right now we are go to find out the mean of our given data set. Here we are going to find out the total. So the total column. Okay, here you see that, you see here this total. So we are right now we are going to calculate the total of your entire column. Okay, so this is it. Total of keywords. Okay, here you see mean value, mean of the total 322. Okay, and right now median of your given data set. From this data set, to identify the median of total, identify median of total, right? So this is a median 253.848. This is median. And the standard deviation data to the total. Okay, here is your total standard deviation of it. This is the standard deviation 45.88. So this is the standard deviation value. So just like that, we can calculate the minimum and the maximum of our data set. Minimum for data total. Okay, minimum and a maximum. Okay, we can right now quantity. What is the maximum in a quantity? 10 is a quantity. Okay, just like that we can easily calculate it. And right now we go with to calculate the. So this is a quantile value, which means that what is the quantile of your probability of the 25%, 50% and 70% from your total. Okay, so this is it. And right now we go to calculate the group based statistical analysis. Okay, right now we are going to, and here you see what is the code. Here we are going to group by based on a product line. Okay, what is a product line? This is a product line. Okay, so what are the products are available in our you see in the product line how many products are available: electronics, accessories, fashion accessories, food and beverage, health and beauty, home and lifestyle, sports and travel. These are all there. So right now we are going to group by based on this product line. So we are going to summarize the total sales. Okay, we are going to summarize the total sales and sum of your total sales. Okay, that is what we are going to do it here. So within a single click we can easily did it. So electronics total sales, this is a value, and fashion and accessories, food and beverage, health and beauty, home and lifestyle, sports and travel. So this is a total of it. So right now next one, average rating by gender. Okay, right now so here right now we are going to group by gender. Okay, and here we are going to find out the average rating. So before that we have a glance in our data set. Here in a rating is in here, we can see the rating available in here, and the gender, you see the gender. So we are going to combine those two columns, we are going to match it together. Okay, so right now here group by the gender, so male and female. So the here you see the female customers gives the rating of 6.96 of our average rating, and the average rating of male 6.98. So female rating is 6.96, male average rating is 6.98. So you see that the code of this, right now we are going to group by the city and summarize the total based on sales. Okay, here there are 3 cities, here there are total sales for each cities. Okay, that's it. So right now we go with the correlation. Okay, first the correlation, CO or correlation, you are going to correlate the total of yours data into the quantity of events. Okay, we are going to correlate to each other total into the quantity. Okay, total column into the quantity column. Okay, so right now this is a correlation result. So what is the actual formula for this? This is the formula for correlation. So if here within a simple click we can easily find out the answer for this formula answer. So here is the answer for this. So what is mean by the correlation? The correlation is actually measures the strength and direction of relationship between these two variables. What are the variables here? Total and quantity. So right now the result 0.7055102. So this is actually the value is positive, so there is no negative value. This means as a quantity increases, the total also increases. So this is by nature. So the quantity increases, the total also increases. That means, so that is what we mean by the plus. So so this is a relationship between there are two value, or we are going to correlate to each other. First we are going to build a bar chart. So this is a GG plot. Okay, right now, so these are all the metrics of it. Okay, right now we are going to use a product line as a x-axis and total in a y-axis. So here right now we are going to fill into the product line, and these are all the metrics of it. Okay, theme and labs title, sales by product line, theme axis, text dot text. Okay, these are all the elements of it. So once you okay, so the plot generator here you see. So this is the answer for this. Okay, so sales by product line. So these are all the product lines, electronic accessories, fashion accessories. Okay, here everything is listed, the total number of sales. Okay, so this is a visualization, so it's very easy. So this is a right now we are going to build the histogram for total. Okay, so right now go to analyze the answer for this is the answer for the histogram. So distribution of the total sales. Okay, so based on the count into the total, so we are going to compare it together. Okay, right, build a box plot based on gender. So here this is a box plot. So here we are going to compare the gender total. Here this is the gender, the total. So this is a median of in between. So this is a median value of here. This is a female, this is a male. This is a black box plot. Okay, and scatter plot. Okay, here the scatter plot, here we are going to take a quantity and a total. So here we are going to use a quantity and total, though that's uses the scatter plot, quantity versus total sales. So if your quantity is increases at the time, your total sales also increases. That's it. That's the meaning of this. Right. So now go to go to figure out the face studded one. Right, here is this the answer of this. So this is a here the total based on your city, every city. Okay, here you see that your product line, it's compare x-axis into the product line, y-axis into the total. Okay, here the y-axis is the total, x-axis is the product line, but here we are going to split it out based on a city. Okay, here factor is based on your city, you are going to split it out based on city. So here it is works. Okay, right now we can change this into the another one, gender. Okay, try it out. Right, so gender, so the same, it's splitter, male and a female. So in here based on this you can see in this food and beverages, it buy more than male, the female customers buy this more. Okay, which is healthy and beauty, health and beauty product, it's not by female, but actually here you see that health and beauty product it's by male, it's more. Okay, based on this data set. Okay, code for to save it. Okay, so this image is saved. Okay, another one you can save it, right click and you can save it. If you use this code, it will be stored in your documents. Okay, the image. Okay, this is it. Right, so I hope you understood this. Okay, if you have any doubt or any question, you can ask me, I will help you to clarify it. Okay, see you in a next video.